Introducing the Freshware Meal Prep Containers. Are you tired of wasting time and money on unhealthy ready-made meals? Look no further. The Freshware Meal Prep Containers are here to revolutionize your meal planning and help you stay fit and healthy. Featuring 15 bento boxes with one spacious compartment, each container is designed to store a total of 28 ounces, allowing for perfectly portion-controlled meals. Whether you're trying to lose weight or simply maintain a healthy lifestyle, these containers are the perfect solution. Made from premium quality materials, these containers are built to last. Unlike other meal prep containers that crack or melt in the microwave, the Freshware containers are heavy-duty and reusable. You can trust that they will withstand the test of time. Not only are these containers durable, but they are also microwave, dishwasher, and freezer safe. Made from the highest quality food-safe materials, they can withstand temperatures ranging from -40 C to +120 C, -40 F to 250 F. Convenient and versatile, these containers are a must-have for any kitchen. We believe in the quality of our product, which is why we offer a satisfaction guarantee. If for any reason our containers don't meet your expectations, simply send them back for a full refund or replacement. Please note that these containers are designed for use in the US and may require an adapter or converter for international use. Please check compatibility before making a purchase. With the Freshware Meal Prep Containers, you can enjoy delicious homemade meals wherever you go. Perfect for school lunches, work meals, or portion control, these containers provide a convenient and nutritious way to enjoy your meals. Order yours today and start your healthy living journey with Freshware.